The practice here feels very fresh and modern and clean. It's just a really friendly, happy atmosphere.
I feel safe. I know I'm going to get good care.
Once you walk into Restore, you can automatically sense the relaxed, comfortable atmosphere.
So here at Restore, we've made a huge effort to make sure that the environment is calming, everything from the scent within this practice to the music that we play throughout the practice. The interior design is such that you feel it's more like a spa.
Patients love to come here because they feel that they are valued. They feel that they are listened to. We want to deal with the problem from the root cause and provide them the reassurance that they will be looked after.
Every time I come through the front door into Restore, I'm treated personably, respectfully and very welcomed.
You get the impression that the dentists here are really invested in you as a patient. They want to get to know you. They just really take the time to listen to you and understand your concerns.
I trust them. I know they're very skilled clinicians.
We offer all-round dental care under one roof. Everyone brings such a vast amount of experience and knowledge to the team.
We have orthodontists, restorative specialists like myself who covers endodontics and prosthodontics. We've got periodontal specialist, we've got a facial aesthetic clinician, as well as a pediatric consultant and oral surgeon.
It's very convenient having a variety of disciplines under one roof, as certain patients do require more than one specialty, and Restore can offer that.
The range of specialities they have here, the dentists and the consultants they have here, means the complex problems my patients do have, they can get a range of their treatment done here.
Very unique to the West Midlands, we have a specialist in paediatric dentistry. I think we're one of only a few in the whole of the UK to have one in-house.
I can basically go next door and I can ask one of my restorative colleagues to come and have a look, and we can get an instant decision. So the whole process is more efficient, it's slicker, and the end result is that the patient gets a shorter treatment plan.
We've not compromised on any investment in state-of-the-art technology here at the practice. We have a CT scanner on site, we have intraoral scanners, we have lasers, and we have the best possible hand and power-driven instruments which really enable us to deliver the very best of 21st century dental care.
Restore is about providing quality care to our patients, which is bespoke to them in an environment which is relaxing and reassuring, and where the patients feel they are listened to.
I would definitely recommend coming to Restore for your orthodontic treatment. They make you feel comfortable and relaxed.
And they go above and beyond to make sure that you have the best possible experience here.
This place is like somewhere you'd find in a big city, or even Harley Street, and yet it's in the village, and it's got a village sort of culture, very friendly, puts you at ease. You feel completely at ease and safe when you come here.